right in my face.
Come on. Do it again.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna get down here.
Come on, lightning.
That's awesome.
Is that tent moving again?
Yeah. Fucking moving.
Yeah, I thought
Like it was on up there, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too when I
yeah. Come on, more lightning. There we go. Holy shit. That hit right there. She was thinking her ex-boyfriend's car was under it.
My ex was under across the street. Stop spraying it on my face. Keep your mouth shut. I'm trying to. I'm backing away from you because you're getting hit first.
Okay. Yeah. I got that one. Part of it.
Look at ears. It's going up my ears. In my ears. Up your ear? Snap a really big
Is
ear.
that hail? I'm just waiting for a tornado, you know? I know. I can hope though, right?
Oh yeah, up at Douglas and shit.
Fuck yeah.
The first that it only happens in flat areas.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Not down.
but we are in a toilet bowl. So I wouldn't...
That explains Wenatchee.
Yeah, that's why Wenatchee is shit.
Everybody in it? It's exploding.
Come on, give me a good one.
Derek and Chad live down by the river. Derek is always upright, so in case floodgates and stuff. We just have to stand behind the boat when the water came right on top. That's like stupid. Alright, bro. Let's go home.
One second. How about one more good one?
I think it's died down.
No. Definitely
It's
hasn't.
been going on all night long. Go home, beer, get my bowl.
Whoa.
Oh, you just left it way over there.
Yeah, that fucking happened behind me. I got the light of it. Son of a whore! God damn it. I'm not gonna just fucking rotate. Just go this way then. Damn it.
What's up, Patrick?
Patrick. Right on my sister's neck. You know Shannon?
I'm fucking done.